If you've ever wished you could decide when the rain would come, well, we can't do that, but we have found the next best thing for you. Look at that, lush and green is what we want, that's what we all want, but it takes water. It takes you to manage the water. You could be struggling to water at the right time and the right quantity, not when it's going to rain, and not let it go dry when it doesn't. We have a system that can help you utilize the water as effectively as possible. You'll use less water, and your garden, your lawn, your orchard, whatever you want to water, will get watered when it needs it, if it needs it. These things have their uses, but we do need a bit more. Did you know the best time to water your lawn is 6 a.m. Get this thing going then. But I'm sleeping then. What about you? We're going to show you a piece of budget priced kit that can control your whole irrigation system, be it a lawn or a vineyard. Come on, do you see this? We're in the kitchen now and you're very welcome. This is the kit that we were talking about. We want to let you see it. This is the brains, this is the controller. This is a flow meter. And this is a 2-zone tap controller. All Wi-Fi controlled. In case you'd be worrying about this stuff being difficult or complicated, they give you great instructions, it's good gear, it's well made, it's well put together, and I'm only 78 and a half and I can do it. Rainpoint give you very clear instructions how to put the batteries in. They don't supply them, but they give you very clear instructions how to do it. And once I read the instructions, I was able to do it quite easily, but I'll show you how it works. This is the flow meter. 4 screws to get the batteries in. Takes 1 AAA. This is the 2-zone top controller, which takes 4 AA batteries. That's a simple pull out, push in. This is the brains that slides and then comes off. The batteries in this are backup. Doesn't need the batteries to work. Keep it in the mains all the time so you don't use the batteries. The batteries are just for backup in case the mains would fail. Rainpoint even include a little reel of PTFE tape, plumber's tape, in case there are any drips, but I don't think there'll be any drips. It feels like gear that's not going to drip. To get this going, you just need to download and install the HomeGar app on your phone and get this connected to your Wi-Fi. HomeGar. Flow meter, these are the bits we're using. Top, left tap, right tap, smart irrigation hub. If you want to set up plans for the future, select plan, select add, set the parameters that you want for your plan, and then click tick. There's your plan set. This video has been made in association with the Rainpoint, and there's a link down below where you can get 20% off until the 31st of August 2023. First off, we're going to install the 2-zone top controller. Lovely gear, look at that, it's got a little mesh, stainless steel mesh in there to keep the grit from getting into the works, and a good thick washer. You've all the bits you need. Connected up to 2 hoses, one for the front lawn, one for the orchard. You can control it locally or with the app. With this bit of kit here, we know exactly how much water we're using. It doesn't just record it here, it records it on the app. It's all connected by Wi-Fi. Now we've got the plants watered. Let's get the sprinkler going on the lawn. I know it's the wrong time of day, but we're going to water the lawn anyway. Now we've got the front lawn watered. Let's go around and see how we deal with the fruit and veg in the orchard. Now it's time to get the rhubarb watered. I can go and get a cup of tea. That's us now. 2 zones, rhubarb at the back, lawn at the front, both getting watered. When I want it to happen, for as long as I want it to happen, even should it be at 6 o'clock in the morning, which is the best time to water a lawn, and I'll be lying sleeping. This is a brilliant bit of kit. The manufacturers describe it as budget, but it is far above what you'd expect from a budget apparatus. It could control a whole complicated irrigation system if you wanted it to. If you want to geek, you can geek with this for hours, but if you just want to operate a simple 2-zone watering system, front garden, back garden, different times, and not have to worry about getting up in the middle of the night to turn your hose on, this will do the job for you. If you want to find out the best way to water your lawn, watch this video next.